1 Corinthians 10:31. Are you the same person when somebody's watching or when they're not watching?
Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus.
This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below.
1 Corinthians 10:31. Whether therefore ye eat or drink or whatsoever ye do, do it all to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. This includes lots of different things. It could be whether you're doing sports and leisure activities, playing games, or whether you're making music, or you're creating things, or you're hanging out with your friends, or you're doing schoolwork or your job, or whether you're traveling and driving in the car, riding your bike or whatever, whether you're scrolling online, or no matter what you're doing, whether you're hanging out with friends, even when you're by yourself, when you're with other people, it doesn't matter. Whatever you do it all for the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. Whether therefore ye eat or drink or whatsoever ye do it all to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. Part of this verse talks about integrity. Integrity means doing the same thing when people are watching as you do when people are not watching. Are you the same person when somebody's watching or when they're not watching? The truth is, God is always watching. So, are you the same when other people are around and when you're by yourself? Or are you like two different people? That's something to think about with this verse. 1 Corinthians 10:31. Whether therefore ye eat or drink or whatsoever ye do it all to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31.
Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.